STEM gifts for kids, unlocking the door to discovery. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic that's perfect for young minds eager to explore and learn. STEM gifts for kids. Whether you're a parent, educator, or just someone looking for inspiring gift ideas, understanding what STEM stands for and why it matters will help you make informed choices. So, let's get started on this journey of discovery together. STEM is an acronym that stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These fields are the cornerstone of innovation and play a crucial role in our everyday lives. When we talk about STEM gifts for kids, we're referring to toys, games, and learning kits designed to spark interest and develop skills in these areas. These gifts are not just about fun. They're tools for building a foundation of knowledge and curiosity. STEM gifts are important because they encourage learning through play. This approach to learning helps children develop critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and creativity. By engaging with STEM toys, kids can discover new interests and perhaps even find their passion in one of these fields. These gifts are more than just entertainment. They're investments in a child's future. Let's explore some examples of STEM gifts to give you an idea of what's out there. Building sets and construction toys that introduce basic engineering concepts. Science kits that allow children to conduct experiments safely at home, exploring concepts from chemistry, physics, and biology. Robotics kits that teach coding and programming in a fun, interactive way. Puzzle games that enhance logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Educational apps and video games designed to make learning math and science engaging and entertaining. Each of these gifts targets different aspects of STEM, offering a wide range of learning opportunities. Choosing the right STEM gift depends on the child's age, interests, and skill level. It's important to select a gift that matches their curiosity but also challenges them to learn and grow. Pay attention to the recommended age range on the product, but also consider the individual child's capabilities and interests. The best STEM gift is one that will captivate a child's imagination and inspire them to explore further. We hope this video has illuminated the exciting world of STEM gifts for kids and why they are such a valuable choice for young learners. By choosing a STEM gift, you're not just giving a toy. You're opening a door to discovery, learning, and potentially a lifelong passion. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you all the best in your quest to find the perfect STEM gift that will light up a child's eyes with wonder and curiosity. Happy exploring!